Yeah, there it is.
A crucible is a container, a vessel that survives high temperatures to produce something better. Here at the USNDA Drone Crucible, American drone pilots take shape. We have one goal: prepare them for the next fight. So we don't design in conference rooms, we co-create out in the field.
Hostage and hostage taker.
With soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines who live the mission. They design the lanes. They run through reps. They debrief, they adjust, and then they repeat. On base, across the nation, guys still can't fly. So we build a sandbox here at the Crucible so they can, and they do.
To extract them out back to where
We experiment. SWAT procedures up against military tactics in close quarters during the day, each pushing the other to stay one step ahead.
All teams hold for now, all teams hold.
We integrate night operations.
Sniper advises we have a change.
Pilots push each other to fly farther and farther. Repeaters, antennas, whatever it takes to extend their range. Marines hunted by the Navy to test each other's tactics. SEALs certify pilots to carry out kinetic strikes. ISR platforms integrate with the mortar teams to execute a joint strike. Accuracy, efficiency, and lethality.
Prepping, bird one.
Static maritime targets were a start. Moving targets are now the new challenge. One after the next. Train, adapt, repeat.
COC, Talon, and Purge, requesting permission to engage.
And at night, to refine tactics. Challenge bureaucracy to ask why not instead of why. We also integrate with programs Drone Dominance, SwarmForge, and also with other services platforms. A Black Hawk helicopter with a drone launched from the sky, the latest in a series of firsts. The path to drone dominance is riddled with obstacles, but our adversaries won't stop, neither will we. And we will get there first. At the USNDA Drone Crucible, each day ends with the American warfighter armed with more tactics, more technology, and more lethality. God bless America.